In the previous video, we have seen the salient features of the Constitution of India. Among that, first is the lengthiest written constitution. So why it is lengthiest? Because it is a very comprehensive, elaborate and detailed constitution. Now the factors which have contributed to the elephantine size of our constitution means the factors which have led to the comprehensive, elaborate and detailed document. So among that, first is the geographical factors, then historical, then single constitution is there for both center and the state. And there is a dominance of a legal luminaries in the constituent assembly. And the constitution not only contains the fundamental principles of governance but also the detailed administrative provisions. Second is the largest constitution because it has explained or it has covered all the topics in detail. From among that, first is fundamental rights, then duties, then the procedure for the State Service Commission and UPSC, and then directive principles of state policy. Third is partly unitary and partly federal. So why it is called partly unitary and partly federal? Because it contains both features of the federation as well as it contains the features of the unitary. That's why it has been described as a quasi-federal, because as it is in a form of a federal, but it is a unitary in a spirit. Next feature is the blend of rigidity and flexibility, because a rigid constitution is the one that requires a special procedure for its amendment, and a flexible constitution is that which can be amended in the same manner as the ordinary laws are made. In Article 368, it provides two types of amendment. And in both ways, the Indian constitution can be amended. That's why it is known as a blend of rigidity and flexibility. Next feature is the integrated and independent judiciary. So all these factors have led to a strong and independent judiciary of India. Then next is the fundamental rights. It is given in part 3 of the Indian Constitution. In that, 5 rights are also provided. Then a secular state. This is the another feature. Because why it is known as secular state? Because it doesn't hold or uphold any particular religion as the official religion of the Indian state. And next is the universal adult franchise. It has provided voting rights to every citizen of India above 18 years of age, and there is no discrimination.